So we'll factor the top to see what's going on. This is x times x plus 2 over x minus 1. Nothing's canceling, so no whole. The vertical asymptote is going to be x equals 1, where the denominator equals 0. The horizontal, oh, the top is bigger, so there's no horizontal, there's a slant or oblique. To get the slant or oblique, you divide x squared plus 2x by x minus 1. X goes into that x times that is x squared minus x. Subtract, those go away like you planned. 2x minus minus x is 3x. We do it again, x goes into 3x 3 times. 3 times 3x minus 3 times x minus 1 is 3x minus 3. Subtract, those go away. You get a 3. That's done. That's my remainder. I'm going to go ahead and ditch my remainder, and the slant is going to be y equals x plus 3. For explanation about why these things work, I have other videos, so that's why I'm going so fast. So this is my slant. I want to see if I ever cross my slant. I should check. So I want to see if my function, so I'm going to cross slant. So you want to see if your original function, the x squared plus 2x over x minus 1, ever equals what you got for your slant asymptote, x plus 3. Most of the time it won't, but there's no reason it couldn't, and we want to check. So x squared plus 2x equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. Those cancel. Yeah, you're getting 0 equals negative 3. So no, it doesn't. Never crosses the slant. Okay, so we'll get our y-intercept now when the x is 0. So if I plug in x equals 0, the y will equal 0 plus 0 over 0 minus 1. So that 0 over minus 1 is 0. So the y-intercept is 0. And the x-intercept will happen always when the y is 0. So if the y is 0, this is the y. If that's 0, when you cross multiply, the bottom will knock itself out. So it'll basically be where the top is equal to 0 at 0 and negative 2. So at 0, and then we have another one when x is negative 2. Whew. All right, let's plot what we've got. The vertical asymptote is that x is 1. The slant is at x plus 3, so it's got a y-intercept of 1, 2, 3 with a slope of 1. So up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. And same thing down here. So little dotted line there. It never crosses this. Y-intercept at 0, x-intercept at 0, and at negative 2. So both of those points put me solidly down here for this part of the graph on that side of the vertical asymptote, because I know I can never cross this, so I must be down here for the whole thing. And then up on this side, if I was down on this side, I'm up on that side because there's no even multiplicities happening. So down here, up here, and we're looking a little something like that. And there's your lovely graph.